What's up, y'all? So, we're outside. Beautiful out. How's your morning going?
It's going good so far. Just trying to gain my energy back because I'm weak a little bit. I ain't even gonna hold you.
Yeah, so it is Monday, and the kids don't have school today, which I did not know.
Say it again. Say it's Monday.
It's Monday, you guys, and the kids had no school today, which I didn't know until the last minute. So the routine, the schedule we have for today kind of didn't work out. So hopefully we're gonna get that in for you guys tomorrow. Yeah, so my plans didn't really function the way I wanted them to today, but it's okay. We're just gonna wake up in the morning and start a routine off for you guys. We're trying to do a family IRL family morning routine, show you guys what we do in the mornings every day. And you guys, basically everything is the same. So yeah, but Raya and Nana are downstairs playing. Milana is asleep. You guys, she sleeps all the time. She's a little quiet baby, y'all. She just sleeps all the time. And yeah, me and Zay just chilling outside for a little bit.
It's beautiful out there.
It definitely is. The sky looks a little gray, but other than that, it's beautiful. Hopefully you guys morning start off wonderful and beautiful. Keep that smile on y'all's face. Do what you have to do in life to keep your mindset going. Don't let nobody stop your dreams, your goals, and what you want to do in life. Go down the path you choose. Whatever makes you happy, do it.
Look at this yellow leaf, y'all.
Fall is coming. Is it almost fall?
I think so.
Well, I mean, it's winter, but like
October's
fall, I think so. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Because Halloween. So we're supposed to get a lot of pretty colored leaves coming down soon. Yellow is already coming. Now, next is going to be like orange and red. I can't wait for that. Fall is one of my favorites because I love the nature changing colors. When nature changes colors, it's just beautiful.
She on her own with that one. I like summer more.
No, I mean, I love summer, but then fall is when all the nature starts blooming its colors and bringing its colors out more. Instead of just natural green,
yeah,
it's like red and yellow, y'all. But I love it. But yeah, I don't like Halloween though. That's one thing I don't like. I don't really like Halloween. I don't know why, but Halloween is not one of my top holidays. I love Christmas, y'all.
Christmas.
Yes. So just know when I get my own house, you probably won't see me decorate for Halloween. Maybe a little bit for the kids, but on Christmas, I'm going all out for Christmas. Love some Christmas, you guys. But anyways, we just been chilling. What time we got up this morning? Like 7 o'clock this morning?
Yeah,
it was early.
It was about 7.
Yeah, because I don't know. I guess I feel like it was school, but I didn't know until the last minute because today is Columbus Day. I forgot that you had no school today. But yeah, today's kind of been a little weird day because we're so used to getting up on Mondays and getting our week started. But today, unfortunately, did not plan the way we wanted it to go. So, but anyways, yeah, y'all.
Yeah, today is a beautiful day. Just gotta constantly going. No matter what, just gotta keep on challenging yourself. Do more and more and more every day, because today is a beautiful day. Today is about getting better. Today is about staying strong. Today is about holding value to yourself more than you really are or at the moment, because challenges come. You gotta keep going, because you can do bright things. You can do wonderful things. Look at that bird up there. I'm pointing at it wrong. Right there, that bird. It probably don't look like I'm pointing at it right there. That's right, up there. You gotta constantly keep being wonderful, unique, lovely at the moment, because you can do whatever you want to do. It's all about what you stand for and what you can do in life. So try to keep constantly being better and better and better and better.
Yeah, y'all, I had to go get me a chair and had to sit down. My legs are starting to hurt. But I don't know what else we have planned for today. Like I said, our day basically just got started a couple hours ago, so it's probably about 12 o'clock right now. Zay had his first cup of coffee. He's on his second cup now, y'all. And I had a little cup, but I didn't really finish it. So I gave it to Zay. I'm more of a cold coffee person. But hot coffee's good.
Cold coffee good.
I'm just more of a iced coffee. And he's more of a hot coffee, so.
Even though I drink cold, I can drink some cold coffee.
Cold coffee is definitely better in the summertime.
Yeah,
though.
summertime.
Especially when it's like extremely hot. Yeah. But hopefully you guys enjoy this video. It's just like it's a bee right here. These bees are getting on my nerves. But hopefully you guys enjoy this video. This is just like a little vlog / family morning day or whatever, however you want to say, motivation. So keep on pushing forward, never give up, do what you have to do in life, and don't let nothing stop you. Keep that smile on your face and push yourself to the limit. Without that, we'll see y'all in the next video, so stay tuned.